folks, it is time for science. This is your agenda for Monday, April 13th in anatomy. So we're going to finish up our digestive system. I know it feels like we just started, but there's not a lot that we need to finish up. We're going to do that by finishing your digestive notes, the last crash course, and continuing to work on that Big Mac attack assignment. So today you'll want to make sure to take the attendance quiz. You're going to be taking notes from section 15.9, which is the small intestine, to the end. And then you're going to be doing the crash course with the questions, and you're submitting that as an assignment today. You should be on Model 3 questions on Big Mac attack, and let's go ahead and hop into Schoology to see what that looks like. As I'm recording this in advance, this is unpublished, but this will be available for you right away on Monday. So here's your attendance question, and here's your assignment for the 13th. This looks eerily similar to what you have done last week, where I have all of the notes linked, and I have the note taker, I have the Big Mac attack PDF, and then the things that you're going to be submitting today is the Part 3 Digestive System Crash Course, and there's a handy dandy link to this video. I have to say, folks, y'all are doing fantastic with submitting your assignments on time, having them completed thoroughly and thoughtfully, as well as doing the attendance questions on time and thoughtfully. I've enjoyed reading those, and I really, really, really appreciate everyone doing their part and, doing their best. That kind of goes along with what I'm going to mention really quickly, and that's about grades. Now, I know some people are a little worried about grades, but here's the deal. As long as you are playing ball, and by that I mean that you're doing what's expected of you, you're regularly checking in class, you should expect to either maintain your grade, or you can expect your grade to go up. And especially if you're kind of hanging around on the edge, I'm not going to leave you hanging. As long as you're doing your stuff, you shouldn't worry about if the 5 points from this assignment that we're doing online is going to make or break your grade. As long as you're trying, this is a rough time for all of us. I'm going to support you, and I'm going to be there for you. So, just do your best. You're going to be fine in terms of grades. Don't panic about it, and we'll make it through this together. That's about it. This is pretty straightforward because you've been doing it all week. I promise that our agenda for Wednesday will be a little bit different, and it'll be our time to wrap up the digestive system officially with a short assessment. Have a great day, folks. We'll see you next time, and be well. Bye.